Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. In today's video I just received a lot of two PS4 controller. This is the original packaging. The only thing I do is that I remove any info about the address before filming it. I bought these controller for $30. Now let's see what this look like. Oh well. If you ever ship some controller, please avoid to leave them unpacked like this. Usually they need some protection. They could be damaged in the transport if it's not the case. This look like the V2 PS4 controller. I will put the box aside and we'll test it to see if they are fully functional. I will start with the black one. I'm gonna open up the testing device, putting that right here. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, and it lights up yellow. That's good news. Here we go. For the moment, I see nothing wrong. Let's go with some testing. Okay, this is good. Oh, you see that? This is an interesting problem. We will need to take a look at this. Oh yeah, and here is a problem with the analog stick. I cannot get it up. I will need to take a look at this, and there is also this problem. When you press L2, the left stick is going up. This is really strange. I think that if we can fix the analog stick problem, we will probably fix the L2 problem at the same time. So I'm gonna put this one aside and we're gonna test the silver one. Let's see if we can plug this in. And this one doesn't want to plug in. It looks like something is broken in here. I'm gonna take a flathead screwdriver. I think the pins are a bit... I'm gonna close that for the moment. Like this. I think the pins are a little bit bent. Let's see if we can insert a screwdriver there. No, this is not gonna be possible. No, so for this one, the pin of the charge port is the pin of the charge port are like bent, so the cable is not even going in the controller, and I think there's nothing I can do in order to fix this. Even the my really small screwdriver is not able to do this. So we're gonna open both of these controller and we're gonna see what we can do to fix this. So now we're gonna just plug the good charge port in this controller, and we're gonna be able to test it to know what the fault are. Oops, sorry. It can always be tricky to do this step. Now it's in correctly. I will just put it like this. It's not fully clips in, but it's assembled just enough so we can test it. I'm gonna plug it in. Here we go. Now we can test the controller. It's lighting up yellow. The tester is gonna be in place. Here we go. So fast like this, we're seeing all the analog function moving. This is not good news. Let's go for the button. At least the buttons are working. This is working too. The share button. Oops. The option button is a bit harder to press in the position I am. And here we go, the D-pad. And now what are the other functions? So I think it will need a clean of all the analog function. Yeah, this one is not working properly. I can feel it when yeah, I don't like this one. It will need to have a good fix. We will see how to do that maybe in another video. But for the moment, it's already a success that we can turn it on. I'm gonna close this. Here are our two controller. Now we know what is wrong with each of them. They both have some drifting. Again, this is a really common fault among the PS4 controller and the Xbox One controller. I'm gonna keep them for another video, and we're gonna see how we can fix them. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and have a nice day.